Kumbhak Pranayam. Namaste and welcome. Today we will explore Kumbhak Pranayam, the art of breath retention. Whether you are a beginner or advanced practitioner, this practice can transform your breath and mind. Let's begin. What is a Kumbhak Pranayam? Pranayam is an ancient practice from yoga that involves the regulation and control of breath. The word pranayam comes from two Sanskrit words, pran, which means life force or vital energy, and ayam, which means control or extension. Through pranayam, practitioners aim to regulate their breathing patterns to influence both the physical body and the mind, with the goal of enhancing vitality, focus, and overall well-being. It is considered an essential part of the yogic path, particularly in preparing the body and mind for meditation. Regular practice of pranayam can improve physical health by increasing oxygenation of the blood and improving lung capacity, help reduce stress and anxiety, promote mental clarity, and contribute to spiritual development. Kumbhak Pranayam, also known as breath retention, is a key practice in yoga that involves holding the breath for a period of time after inhaling, that is called Antar Kumbha. It is considered an advanced and powerful technique for controlling the breath and calming the mind. The practice helps increase the capacity of the lungs, improve concentration, and promote mental clarity. Before we start, a few precautions. Children under 12 years should not practice. Not recommended in hypertension and serious cardiac complaints. Always practice on an empty stomach in a well-ventilated space. Listen to your body. If you feel dizzy, stop immediately. Now let's see how to do this posture. Sit in a comfortable meditative posture such as Padmasana, Sukhasana, or Ardha Padmasana. Keep your spine straight and shoulder relaxed. Rest your hands on your knees, palms facing upward or in a mudra like Gyan Mudra. Eyes can be kept closed. Take a few moments to center your mind, focus on your intention for the practice, and become aware of your breath. Now, make a short exhalation and then start inhaling slowly and rhythmically in one long and unbroken inhalation. Continue inhaling till a sense of fullness is felt in the chest. Retain the inhaled air for a period of 10 seconds. Preferably double the period of inhalation. Ensure no exaggerate movement of the abdomen while sitting. Spine, head and neck is maintained erect. Facial muscles are relaxed and nose is not constricted. Inhalation is slow and rhythmic, long, unbroken and without jerks. Now exhale as naturally as possible, gradually avoiding jerky or hasty movements. Take few normal breaths and relax. Now let's see how to do this posture with Yogendra rhythm. Exhale 1, 2. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale and relax. Now let's see the benefits of this pranayama. Increases lung capacity and strengthens the respiratory system. It reduces stress and anxiety by calming the nervous system and calming the mind. It improves focus, concentration, and mental clarity. It balances the energy flow within the body. It can help in detoxifying the body and mind. So you can practice 5 rounds of this pranayam daily with a pause between rounds. Remember, Kumbhak should never feel force or strength. If you feel dizzy or uncomfortable, stop the practice immediately and return to normal breathing. It's better to practice pranayam on an empty stomach or after a light meal. As a beginner, avoid long periods of breath retention. Always listen to your body and avoid holding the breath for too long, especially if you are new to pranayam. If possible, practice under the guidance of a qualified yoga instructor, especially if you are new to breath retention techniques. Consistent practice will help you gradually experience the mental and physical benefits of Kumbhak Pranayama. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more yoga tutorials and tips. See you next time.